Hey everybody, this is John with RG Reptiles. Got another clutch coming out. These are actually the Blizzard Cow Kings. So let's open it up and take a look. So these are all finally out. They look really good. Most of them look patternless, which is awesome. We'll see how they look after a couple sheds, but great looking clutch. Wasn't a whole lot of eggs, but I'm happy with them. Really nice looking babies. So after these guys take a few meals, we'll have some available. I'll probably hold a few back, maybe a couple out of this clutch. But I'm really liking how they turned out. Really pretty snakes. So we do have a lot more coming up. We got some more bulls hatching out. We have some hybrids I produced, which is the Pastel King and Imperial Pueblan albinos. So those will be coming up shortly. Really looking forward to hatching those out, as well as some Sinaloan milks. We got more retics coming up. Bloods are actually starting to breed for us. As we get a little bit more closer into fall, we'll be doing green tree pythons again, Jayapuro locality. So looking forward to those. We did produce some this year. Wasn't a whole bunch of eggs, but we got a little bit and they all looked really good. Had some reds and yellows. Those are all sold out. Female has put on a little bit more size this year, so we're anticipating a bigger clutch. So you guys keep an eye out for those. Look at that one, it's beautiful. Anyway, hope everybody's having a great night. We'll get more videos up soon. We'll get deeper into some discussions about colubrids and pythons. And we'll definitely get more videos up as everything hatches out. So there's a lot more of these babies in here, but they're all buried under the vermiculite. So I'm going to go ahead and get these set up. Thank everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.